Howdy ho there, friends and neighbors. I'm down at Dad's house today, Mint Hill Dad, and we are using this big heavy duty table saw he's got, and I'm going to do a little quick review on it and show you some stuff about it. It is a Steel City table saw. Let me get over here to the model number, and we'll go ahead and call that out for you. Let's see, it's down here on this side down low. And that is a model number 35605. It's a 10-inch blade table saw. How big is the deck on this thing, Dad? About 6 foot? The whole table here?
Well, it comes, yeah, it's about 6'8" or 6'6".
Wow, that's awesome. I mean, you can lay a whole sheet of plywood on here.
But it only comes with the steel part. This here is an extra piece.
Oh, okay.
You buy it from them and it just connects right on. They just give you an extra piece of rail, but it's
awesome.
A little bit extra to get that other, and I wanted the other.
Exactly, okay. And as you can see, he's got a steel tape already attached to this rail that goes all the way down, kind of keep track of measuring off there. And one thing that he's done here to this one, he's actually mounted a router underneath this table here. He's built this box that it goes in where he can hook a vacuum cleaner to suck all the dust and everything out. That's actually what we're getting ready to do today. We're making a little bit of some molding for my house, and he's going to hook this thing up and use that. But just want to show you this table saw, guys. It's really awesome. We'll do a little bit of demonstrating as to what we could do with it. He's getting it set up now for our to cut a notch in the end of our molding that we're making. So stay tuned and we'll show you a little bit about what this bad boy can do. One extra thing, guys, I wanted to show you. If you notice, this thing is actually sitting on a bracket that has some wheels on it, okay? You see there's a kick pedal right there where you can kick it down, and it actually lifts this whole end up here to where you can roll this thing around and position it. When you get it where you want, you just lift it up and let it down. Another thing that my dad, being the creative one that he is, he actually wired his own box up here to where he's got 110 volts where he can plug both of his vacuum cleaners in to where he can draw all this sawdust out of here so it keeps the shop from being as messy. So just wanted to show that to you right quick, guys. Okay, guys, along with doing the review on this thing, Dad's going to give you a couple tips here on cutting some molding with the router part of it. Take it away, Dad.
Okay, now we've already cut one profile of this, but this was much shallower than we wanted a finished product. And the reason we do that, if you cut too much, you stand a chance of burning the wood, plus you get a lot of tear out. So you go over where you just about where you want to go, and then you raise it up a little bit and cut a little bit more.
Okay, so we're going to make our second pass now, and we'll show you what our profile looks like.
Did this, you see this is real shallow, this is a little bit deeper, but I got good smooth cut, and I wouldn't have if I'd kept going this other way.
Exactly. Yeah, this one here we just got it don't even have the total rounding here at the top. As you see after the second pass there, we got a nice little edge there, a nice little rounded corner on our molding.
And we'll cut that off, these two off, in just a minute to give us molding.
Yep.
Okay, we're going to cut these two pieces of molding away from the piece and let you see what it looks like. Okay. Looks like with one piece off. Now we're fixing to cut the other piece off, and then we'll show you what those pieces look like when we get through. If you notice, it got a little hairs on it. That's going to be common, but all it takes is just a little bit of a sandpaper, just run over it, and it makes it just as it's ready to paint right now.
Yep, awesome. I'm tickled to death. I'm gonna I'll go home, sand these up. We'll get some primer on them and nail them where they need to go in the house. And I'm just tickled to death, Father, that we made 96 feet
Yeah.
of molding for less than $10.
Yeah.
This type of molding was like $1.25 a foot. So I've definitely saved our money today.
Yeah. So it cost you an extra $100 to have bought it.
Exactly. Plus I got to spend some time with you and use these awesome tools that you have. So friends, thank you for checking out our review video on the awesome table saw and watching us cut a little bit of molding. And say bye to everybody, Dad.
See ya.
Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.